Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing a Temu product. This is Micro Brick Gengar, as you guys can see. Now you might not be familiar with Pokemon, so if you're not a Pokemon fan, you might have no opinion on this and you might not care too much. But if you are a Pokemon fan, we picked this up on Temu and I want you guys to guess how much you think we paid for this. Now keep in mind, this is a Pokemon, and I'll show you what you can actually do with this. Basically, consider it a Lego knockoff in a way. Now, at the end, you can create a Pokeball and Gengar with all the pieces that they provide you with. So it's basically kind of like Legos. What do you think we paid for this? Now, Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon, so of course we had to get this. And again, we picked it up on Temu. So, you guys ready? Do you have your guesses? You can definitely drop a comment with your guess if you want. We paid $3 flat for this product. Some people can get it for pennies. Some people can get it for dollars. It depends on the sale and when you get it. But we paid $3. I'm happy with that because I love Gengar.